And it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I've been having a slightly trying day. So what I'm going to do is give myself the ultimate permission, except for that water spot, to have some fun. And that includes putting some white down. What this process that I'm about to do reminds me of is my geometrics, except for I'm just going to use a spatula and colors I like. And beyond that, where is it? Who knows? So if I just spread paint, the white will often be a catalyst for whatever comes next. I don't know how long this is going to take. I am an abstract expressionist painter, so if I just have some fun spreading paint, that's okay with me. That's what I want to do. And if I want to tilt, I'll tilt. I've got my favorite colors next to me, and I'm not afraid to use them. I'm wondering if I have any more bottles of paint that need to be emptied. Cool. I guess yes. Ooh, I didn't want to waste that. Come back here, you. Try and keep my bottles, keep my paint out of the way. Let's grab some white pearl that will come out as opposed to the one that won't. And I'm thinking that I liked how this red looked with that purple. It may or may not be a good idea. We'll see. Yes, I like it. I'm going to let my paint run down over. I'll grab my Prussian blue because it makes a wonderful contrast, and probably grab a skewer. Doesn't really take very much Prussian blue to create a color change. I kind of like it when it's very dark, and using it with the white does not mean that it's going to stay very dark. That's too bad. I just undid something I liked. Oh well. Let's just spread our paint around and start over. Trying to find colors that we like to add to what we have, and scraping off the spatula and deciding what happens after that. No rules. Tilt it well. Add yellow if you want. That's the wrong yellow. I'm not going to use that yellow. I might be sorry I used this yellow. I might use a different spatula. I might use some more gold. I might use a basting brush. Ooh, I see something that does not belong. A big something that does not belong. I want some more of this purple. I'm just going to see where everything goes and move it where I want it from where it lands when I like what I have. It occurs to me that I'm going for broke again with all the colors. No, that's not what I wanted. But you know what? It's in my hand, so I might as well use it. I want that to come out. And I don't want to swipe it because I want the intensity of the color. I want to keep some of these away. I haven't used an edge catcher yet, but it is my go-to tool when I don't want paint to escape the canvas, but I'm not sure I have so much paint that's moving that I need to worry about it yet. I do want some black to go over that gold. And I'm going to take that yellow right off my spatula and wipe my spatula off. Where's my rag? My rag has gone. Okay, there is a rag, and that rag will work better than no rag. That is not the spatula that I want. It occurs to me I really want some turquoise in there. More turquoise than the turquoise I have already. And more purple. By far. What will she do with it? I think I will blow it around. Because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link below, show more. Underneath the video. Agitated paint will often sell, which means if I keep this up, cells will pop. I said I wanted some turquoise, and it's way over there. And I'm just going to blow it into place. I want some darker blue too. Never mind. I don't know what will happen when I put those two together and then blow them, but I'm going to find out. Right now. And I like it. I like it so much. I want to do it again right next to it. Not bothering me. Just going to keep adding things where I feel they should go. And moving my tops out of my way so I don't put bottles on them. They have so many names for what happens when you blow on paint. Right now it's not even funny. But I'm liking what's happening here. So I'm going to keep doing it. And then if I want to, I'll add a swipe card. But no promises. That went away and I'm surprised. This purple is a folk art neon purple multi-surface acrylic. And I want that up there. After I deal with that down there. And this over here. Ha! I'm just everywhere all at once. I want that to come out. Should have cleaned that tip out in between, but I have another bottle. I just keep putting it someplace I can't find it. Do I want more gold? Maybe. You want cells in your work? This is a really good way to get them. Oh boy. I'm not sure about that, but I'm also thinking it might be exactly what I need. Let's Let's go ahead and run a basting brush, not basting brush, spatula through it first. I really should have enough practice to be able to do this at will. I want a little tiny bit of that right there. I'll move some of my bottles back so I can see what I'm doing. I know I wanted some of this in here, if it'll come out. No, it won't. Why don't I learn? Alright, I still want some black someplace. I'm not sure where. I think it's right here. And a little more turquoise right there. And I do mean only a little more. So I was trying earlier very hard to make accidental art into something contrived, and I did eventually make it conform to my will, and it turned out interesting, but it wasn't what I had in mind to begin with at all. Just sort of a lesson. I wish that would open. That might be the place I want to try my basting brush. Or not. Sort of like chain, but not. Add a little texture. As long as there's enough paint. I think I want some more of this. Yep, I do. Right there. I'm liking that little bit of orange, and I kind of want a little bit more. I'm just not sure how much more and where to put it. I want to be very, very cautious now. Sometimes less is more. I like those black cells there. I gotta be careful and shake out my straw before I wind up with something in there in my painting, like spitball painting, back. I can't believe I'm actually within my time frame. That's pretty cool. And I'm having a good time. Putting stuff where I want it. And you can too. I am almost done. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, Expressionist Studio Gallery, as I said. And you can find my Amazon link where you can purchase all kinds of stuff, including the OXO omelet turning spatulas and the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas, and other stuff like basting brushes and canvases. And I'm going to grab a skewer and see if I want to do anything. Just drag any little tendrils someplace that they're not already, that I might want them. But I'm kind of really liking what I'm seeing, and I'm not that inclined to try and fix what is not broken. So that was a lot of fun. That was actually tremendously fun, and I needed that fun right then. So now I'm happy again. I have my creative outlet. I might have to blow that into place. I have a few edges to touch up, but for the most part a lot of paint already went over the sides. And when I have paint on my finger and I just tap the edges, I can blend it in. I can even steal a little. Go back and blow that around. Maybe add a little more back in. Alright, I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys to shop my Amazon link, which I already did. My paint is getting a little gloppy, which makes me think I want to just take advantage of the fact that my basting brush is right there before it gets any weirder. I'm just twisting it sideways just a little bit. I really, really, really do like this a lot. I do sell my artwork. I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. My paint pouring recipe is below the video underneath Show More. I seem to have quite a bit of paint. It's perfectly placed on my tile. I use a 16-inch by 16-inch ceramic tile on top of a Lazy Susan. You can pick up the Lazy Susans on my Amazon link, or probably anywhere that they sell Lazy Susans. So I recommend having fun. I don't know if you can do what I can do, but I know you can do something if you want to. I love you guys. There's over 80,000 of you. I like that little red spot right there. I want a couple more. Is that bad? I guess it might be. Yeah, that really makes me happy. I'm very cautious with the pointy end of the skewer because it does not always cooperate. I want just a little bit up there at the top. So I should tell you guys that there is a drawing every month for somebody to win a painting who contributes $10 or more to help keep me painting. And thank you to everybody who has kept me painting for all the time I've been doing this. It's been a little while and I appreciate it. If I don't get to do it forever, there will be 900 videos. And if you want to find those videos, there are playlists on my channel page of by the 100 and also by topic. Yeah, what can I say? That just made me so happy. I had to have a little more. I'm going to be very careful when I draw it out. And do I want a little more anywhere else? Maybe very little. So I think I said there were 80,000 of you guys, and if I didn't, I am now. There's more than 80,000 actually. I'm going to grab a little bit of gold paint. And if I can't grab it, I'll add it. So please give me a thumbs up if you're still here. Appreciate that. Binge watch some videos. Love you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out.